Hi everyone and welcome to Aquileia. Aquileia was one of the largest and wealthiest cities of the Roman Empire. Destroyed by Attila in the mid-5th century, the city became an important hub of the Christian world for the Central Europe from the Middle Ages to the 18th century. Aquileia is at 45 minutes by car from Trieste and Udine and at 1 hour and a half from Venice. I suggest you park in the northern area of the town and take the path that will take you to the Basilica, following this tour on foot. Once back, you can decide to visit the National Paleo-Christian Museum. In the description of this video you'll find the best tips on where to eat and where to stay overnight. And if you're in Aquileia, do not miss the opportunity to also visit Grado and Palmanova. Visit Aquileia if you are a lover of Roman and Christian history and ancient mosaics, and also to enjoy Friuli on a gloomy day, because most of the attractions of Aquileia are indoors.